Yo. You already know what time it is. Or react to more and weird moments caught on doorbell camera. I'm telling you, bro, these videos are a gold mine, bro. Surprised a lot, like, these YouTubers haven't watched these, bro. This is a gold mine. Kidding me? This is pure content. So you got an Easter bunny doing some weird shit. Nice. Nice, dude. That's a killer for sure. Okay. Oh. Oh, she just ran out of naked, dude. Oh, okay. She actually lives there. It was. Was she an Instagram star? God damn. Nice, dude. Oh. Nice little bear. Oh, nice. The big package for you, buddy. Some food right there. Nice, dude. Oh, yeah. They keep falling. Oh, yeah. Come on. Jesus, dude. You need to retire, brother. It's a cool dog, bro. I think I want to get one of those maybe in the future. I actually love German Shepherds a lot, though, so... You know. I'm probably gonna stick to German Shepherds, maybe. Stay there? Stay there? Oh, let's go. Pretty cool. That's wholesome. Oh, man. I like those type of wholesome moments, though. Pretty cool. My vibe's killed again. I hate those type of people, I'm telling you right now. My vibe's even more killed now. It's a cat, no? Is she allergic to cats? If she's allergic, then maybe that's why she's scared. Oh, that's too funny. Alright, boys, as that one was pretty quick, actually. That's a new world record right there, boys. So I watched this one. Most strangest moments caught on camera. It's possible, yeah. It's possible to lift that. It's wood. It would take a couple of people to lift that, and yeah, you know. Is that magma? What is that? Not magma. I don't know what that is. Oh. Ghost. What the fuck? It's a ghost. Oh. It's nice. Let's go, bro. That is the do not invent that. That is the most retarded shit I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god, pick it up, dude. Sell it. You kidding me? That's probably worth a lot of money. And anything that glows like that is probably worth a lot of money, bro. Dropping tires. That's actually pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Ooh. Nice view for you, but Jesus. Why did she even do that though? What the hell is this? No, it's easy. No way it's that easy to make t-shirts nowadays, bro. Oh, you never hit a donkey on the ass. I'm surprised it didn't fight back. Who's this, CJ Andy, dude? What the fuck? That's fantastic design. Whoever designed this shit is amazing, bro. Amazing. Perfect design, bro. It's sarcasm, by the way, my bad. You guys can never tell my sarcasm. No one can. Yeah, so that's perfectly safe. Perfectly safe, you know. Gee, oh my, oh. That's kind of disgusting, then. That water doesn't get filtered or anything, so that's kind of. Is it breaking the window? No way, bro. What the fuck? What is he covered in? Type of dust? What the hell? When did they build that? What the fuck? He's real. I don't even know what happened. I can't tell if there was a guy driving there or no. Alright. As you can see, you guys could enjoy, you know. You guys could enjoy some, you know, nice little ending right there. Alright.